ABM, Research and Production Corporation, have presently established full-scale production of state-of-the-art Weber manpads, having no counterparts around the globe for requirements of the Ministry of Defense of the Russian Federation. The system implements the best achievements of previous manpads generations to feature improved counter-countermeasure capability, higher combat effectiveness, and essentially expanded target engagement envelope. 9K333 Weber manpads is designed to defeat frontline aircraft, attack helicopters, cruise missiles, and remotely piloted air vehicles. Weber manpads includes combat equipment, training aids, maintenance equipment, associated equipment including detection system, identification system, fire control, and target designation. For higher operational effectiveness, the complete delivery of brigade and division sets is offered. The implemented production control system, including acceptance of products by Russian Ministry of Defense representatives, guarantees high quality of final products.